Welcome to RPA learning session. In this session, you will learn what is robotic process automation. So let's get started. The objective of this session, we are going to learn what is RPA, what are the different RPA capabilities, where to apply in the industry, and what are the different tools landscape into RPA space. So, what is RPA? RPA is an intelligent software that has the capability to replicate or mimic the human interaction with the computer. So essentially mean that what humans are doing with the computer with their keyboard and mouse, the RPA bot has capability to learn and get trained and start doing what humans are doing today. So where we can apply? So primarily, wherever you see the data entry stuff is happening, humans are doing from the keyboard, that's a good candidate. Multi-system integration, repetitive task, people are doing day in day out the same stuff, process reconciliation, data validation, and validating the different business rules. So those are the processes where RPA processes are pretty much applicable. So now when it comes to RPA, what it comes to your mind, just think about a moment where you can apply. Okay, so since far you learned about what is RPA, but think about what are the different capabilities. So from capability perspective, it has capability to extract the data from any document. It has capability to read or write the emails, manipulate the Excel sheets, copy and paste any data from any source to destination, log into any enterprise application, whether it's a web, it's a window, it's a Citrix, or any kind of application you can imagine, read or write to database, call the web API, make the complex calculation, or wherever you see the manual intervention, the humans are doing the data entry, validation, verification, RPA bot has pretty much capability to perform all the activity. Only it required for us to configure and train the RPA bots. So what is the idea? It's pretty simple. It's pretty simple. Wherever you see the any activity the humans are doing that is time consuming, repetitive, high volume, error prone task, so rather than human do, it's required for us to identify all those opportunity, configure the bots, deploy the bots into production, and delegate, let the bot do it. And if really the bots started executing all those tasks, definitely it will help us to improve our productivity. It will carry out the business processes faster and more efficiently at the very lower cost. At the same time, it will work 24/7 and 365, and of course it will not go on vacation, it will not ask for any leaves, it will not ask for any appraisals. So these are the things where we can apply the RPA bots. So where we can apply, number one, the data entry. Wherever you see the data entry humans are doing, that is the first candidate to apply. Number two, the straight through processing. So essentially mean that when the humans are completing the business transaction and hopping across the multiple disconnected system. Number three, wherever we want to integrate the system, one approach could be .NET Java based API based integration, but other integration methodology could be the RPA that we can explore. Number four is reporting. Wherever we see the humans are extracting the data, consolidating from multiple sources and sending the stakeholders on the daily basis, or maybe twice or thrice a day, that's a good candidate for RPA. Last but not the least, wherever our human workforce are validating the business rules, it could be any business rule, that's a good candidate to deploy the RPA bot, to let the RPA bot validate all the business rules. What are the different RPA tools? Primarily into the market, approximate there are 150 RPA tools into the market, but these are the three. Blueprint, Automation Anywhere, and UiPath are the three market leaders which are leading the industry, and primarily UiPath and Automation Anywhere is really leading the market. So these are the different tool landscape, but primarily we have to focus around UiPath, Automation Anywhere, and Blueprint. So bottom line, what is the bottom line of the RPN of this session? That wherever into the business process you see the processes are repetitive. Repetitive in means people are doing day in day out. Wherever you see the data entry activities happening, there is a lot of human intervention. So dedication of human resources are required, and the processes are pretty transactional. It's a very good candidate for the RPA to build, deploy, and delegate the work to RPA bot. So far, you learned about what is robotic process automation. Now the time has come for the exercise. Just go to the exercise activity and complete the activity. Thank you.